watching this video because you will visit Argentina during Christmas or you will be here during our Christmas parties. So in this video I would like to explain you what Christmas is like in Argentina, what's the life, what you're supposed to do, what we usually do, and more stuff like this so you can perfectly understand our culture and adapt yourself to Argentina. And first I would like to start with parties in Argentina in general. You have to know that parties here are completely different from anything you know. If you're from the United States or Europe, this is probably kind of shocking. In Argentina, parties in general, and specifically the most important holidays like Christmas, New Year's party, and also your own birthdays are pretty much crazy compared to other cultures. For example, usually during our birthday, we celebrate this for many hours. We usually start at night, our party, and our party will end more or less 5, 3, or 6 a.m. in the morning. Now, you might think that this is pretty normal, the same there in your country. But the thing is that this happens with every party we have here. Not just your birthday, but also Christmas and also New Year party, graduation from school, college, and almost any party we have here. So exactly the same thing will happen with Christmas. You also must know that we love music, specifically cumbia, cuarteto, and rock or rock nacional, which is the Argentinian rock, and we call it that with that name. And as we love to listen to music and to dance a lot, during our Christmas party, we will stay up dancing, yelling, singing all night. What will we dance here in Argentina? Well, we usually dance, as I said, cuarteto and cumbia. If you haven't heard of Argentinian cumbia or Argentinian cuarteto, which is super common in Cordoba is over here, you can see it, I would recommend you to first listen to cuarteto. I definitely recommend you Rodrigo, El Potro Rodrigo. And then for Argentinian cumbia, I would recommend you Los Palmeras. Listen to their most famous song so you will understand it pretty fast. Now, in United States or Europe, it will start at 5 p.m. and then it will end more or less 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. But not here in Argentina. You're supposed to be here all afternoon and almost all night and early morning. I will tell you a perfect example with my own family. We usually start our party at more or less 12 p.m. because we love to firstly have an asado. We are not really supposed to have an asado during Christmas, but in my case, in my own family, we love it. So we have an asado during afternoon time, and then at night, of course, we don't have turkey because it's not common here in Argentina. We usually have cold food, and we have something called picada. Let me show you what picada is. You will see an image right now. Una picada is basically everything: cheese, salami, some meat, basically cold food. I would especially mention vitel toné, which is super common in Christmas. I love vitel toné. I think it's French, but it's super common here for very important parties as a Christmas or New Year's party. Now, who is in our party here? For this type of parties, it is super important to have all your family, all your far family, and all your close family. In Spanish, we say familia cercana, which is close family, like your dad, your mom, your sisters, etc. And then far family is, for example, relatives that you don't really see a lot, and we call it familia lejana. For example, some of your cousins, someone you don't see much in your daily life, let's say. Now, in my personal case, in my own family, my family is really large. So I have all my members of my family. We are usually in Christmas, we are 50 people or 60 people. But the reason is that my family is really large. This is not just with me, but all families in Argentina. Something important if you're new here, although there are 60 members of a family in one house, you have to greet everybody. And it will be even more important for you because you're a foreigner and you have to connect with your partner's family. So if you really want to connect with his family, we connect with her family, you must greet everybody. And I know it will be super boring, but I think you should do it. I would do it, and that's the best piece of advice I can give you if you really want to adapt yourself and get on with their family. Otherwise, if you don't do it, we will think that you're rather rude. Now, something important you must know. In Argentina, Santa Claus, it's called Papa Noel, Father Noel. That's the name. And of course, all kids believe in him. So kids are supposed to have gifts. And if you're wondering what a typical Argentinian kid loves or as a gift, I would recommend you just toys. As any other kid, we are not really different. Maybe a boy will love some Argentinian t-shirts like for football, and for little girls, just anything. They love girls stuff, so it's the same. So this is basically everything that you have to know about Christmas party in Argentina. Our Christmas party starts really late at night and it lasts all night and all early mornings. And we will singing, dancing, yelling all early morning, so get ready for this. It's just like any other random party with your friends. There are also fireworks as everywhere, And the last thing you have to know is that we love cold food. We don't really have an asado, so we have cold food. And the reason of this is because here it's summer, it's December, in Argentina it's summer, and it is not winter. This is basically everything you have to know about Argentinian Christmas. I have a question for you, and it's, did you already have a Christmas party in Argentina? How was it? What would you recommend a foreigner to do during Christmas? What else do you think foreigner must know about our Christmas parties here? And if you are thinking to move to Argentina or have a trip or even just reach fluency in Argentinian Spanish, you can contact me because I have my one-on-one programs to learn Argentinian Spanish. They are very intensive. It takes 1 month to 1 year, really intensive programs, but you get amazing results. So if you're interested, in the description you have all the information and all the links to start working with me. Muchas gracias por ver este video y nos vemos en clase.